I've got a lot of wood left there. The previous owner said that this is some wood that he could not sell because it's not that nice wood. It's spongy wood like this. I'm not going to weld anything here if there's a big stack of wood like this, so I have to remove all that wood. Maybe I stack some wood in those big boxes. I've managed to put a box with an opening here so I can throw the small pieces. So pretty much like me, I think that the previous owner didn't like to waste all that wood. So small chunks going in the box. There's like 25 up to 30 feet of wood, and there's like 3 rows, so there's a few cords there. So I took one box, split in half the bottom panel, and hopefully I can stack a good amount of those small pieces like this. So a lot of small pieces. I'll take a small break and I show you the landscape there. Now that's pretty much a maze here. Finding the way out. Oops, this way. And it's about 5 p.m. Quick update, Thursday, one day later, I did fill 4 boxes like this, 4 by 4 by 4 of wood, 2 or 3 of chunks, and also I did a lot of trailers, and I did send some wood in the house. Now I'm cleaning that, and I'll be ready to fill those racks with steel. Quick update, we're Saturday past 6 p.m. On Thursday I unload the milling. That was a little bit scary because the milling is heavy enough that I could not curl it back. So when you have to lower it, when I had to lower it, it went a little bit inclined. So I didn't like this. Although it's being strapped on a pallet, and the pallet is quite long. It's almost 5 feet long. There's planks all over the place on top and bottom, so it could not tip over, but it's never funny to see that. So for you to know, the milling, so at that level, this is the base and the bottom pan. Maybe the base is like 75 pounds, and from there up to here, it's 1,000 pounds. So the center of gravity is kind of a high compared to the size of the base. So that's why I dedicated myself to controlling this unloading instead of having that on camera. Thursday, was it? Yesterday my wife and I went for shopping for now I'll be moving to put the welding table on the ground. Meanwhile, I'm going to change the casters because the rubber casters are very worn. I think that I overload those casters, so I'm going to replace them with, I think this is phenolic cast or something like that. I give it a try, anyways. So this one is unmolded, and right after that is going to be the welding. See you around. As you can see, the railing was strapped on the pallet, well secured, so it worked out well. Now, I have this, I think this is called desiccant. Some small granules inside. This side is a polypro or something like that. And this one is kind of a, it's not paper itself, but you can see how much moisture it did collect. So it's maybe, I'd say, quarter of a quart. So it did its job to keep this milling from rusting. I don't see any rust damage, so that's good. Well, it's landed on the ground. I think it would have been easier and quicker with the tractor, actually. Yeah, we'll see next time. That's pretty much it for now. Tomorrow we're going to work a little bit on the other place because we have a few things to do before we put it on sale. In the next few weeks, hopefully it won't be month, I'm going to settle down. It's pretty much like a mess. I have to think where is going to happen what, welding, mechanical, and so I have to figure what is the best configuration for that garage. So hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next time, maybe in a project. Thank you.